Okay. This is the living room. What I was telling you. Here. It's our DVD collection. Tons of them. It's not even the beginning. Here, and back there. This is the living room. This is the living room here. The bouquet Miguel got me for Mother's Day. It's beautiful. And this here is like the landing here. It goes down and out to the front. There's the butterfly you gave me on the wall. There's the door down there. Okay, before my time lets out, show you my Canella. Canella! So my red-nosed pit bull. Can say hi, Gram. Say hi to Grandma. Yeah, it's my baby, Nelly Wafer. Yeah, that's my baby. It's my red-nosed pit. Our view up top. And that's about it. That's the life here in Rockford, that's for sure.